If you want to delete your Instagram account forever, this is the video you should watch, because we are gonna show you exactly how it's get done as fast as possible. Follow the video precisely and do not skip. So here we go. Open up your Instagram app. Go to your profile icon down here, click on the hamburger menu, now go to settings, and from settings page go to help. And from help pick help center, which will get you here. And from this moment on things are gonna get a little bit tricky, because Instagram submerged the delete account option underneath more menus, more submenus, and even under unrelated subsections for whatever nefarious reasons. You will know what I mean by the end. But don't worry, we are here to help you. So click this new hamburger menu and choose manage your account. Now you will see the delete your account option. But wait, it is in the end. Just like I said, it's nothing but another submenu. Anyway, choose delete your account from here and you will see these three subsections. Temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, delete your Instagram account, and access your data on Instagram. It's just another trick, don't fall for it. Just go to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account section and note to the delete your Instagram account section if you're actually intended to delete your account permanently. So go to the section and scroll down until you see this delete your Instagram account link. Just go to the link and from here go to Android app help, which will bring you to this menu, so go ahead and choose the mobile browser help. Now scroll down a little bit and you will find the instagram.com from a mobile browser drop down menu. And from there you'll find another link called go to the delete your account page. So tap on the delete your account link which is highlighted in the sentence and will bring you to this page and ask you for the reasons you are deleting your account. You can pick any reasons you want from here, it doesn't really matter. Now we'll ask you to enter your password, so enter that here and you're one step away from deleting your account permanently. Having any second thoughts, this is the time for it. Press the button and your account will get deleted. Once you did that, Instagram will immediately deactivate your online presence and will take Instagram up to 30 days to complete your account deletion process. In some case, it might go up to 90 days, so there is nothing from your end to be done at this point. As far as you're concerned, your account has been deleted. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you liked, subscribe and share. This is me, your host Aman Rafiq. See you soon with another one.